Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set auto call recording in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to call button. Go to call button and click on these three vertical dots and click on call settings. Click on record settings and here select second option, record all calls automatically. That means all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded. If you select third one, record custom calls automatically. That means only selected numbers will have the automatic call recording. You go to select those numbers. For that, click on custom and you can add custom number using this plus symbol. You can select contacts from recent contacts, or you can select from the total contacts, or you can add manually. Okay, here I select some contacts from the all contacts list. Okay, click on add and they have been added. Yes, they have been added. And if you want to add more contacts to the custom list, click on this plus symbol again and you can select again from recents or contacts, add manually. Click on add manually and here just type any number. So here I just type some number, and if you want to name that number, just you can name it and then click on add and it is added now. So I go back. Now if you select the second option, then all calls will be recorded, all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded. So now I show a demo. Now for that I make a call from another number and see how it works. I receive a call and I attend the call. This is the call I attended. Hello, call recording checking, call recording checking, call recording checking. Thank you. And I cut the call, and to see the recorded call, just go to the files in your phone and go to internal storage. Go to browse and click on internal storage. Click on internal storage and click on recordings folder. Click on recording folders, click on record folder, click on call folder, and this is the latest call recorded. Just click it. So in this way you can easily find out the recorded call in your phone. Just you can set auto call recording for all numbers or for some particular numbers, and if you make calls or if you receive call, they will be recorded and they will be stored in the path I shown here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.